Hi, my name is Glenn Hampson, and I'd like to tell you about a great new project that we're working on. Here's the basic idea. Science doesn't do a great job of communicating. Now, I'm not talking about the great science TV programs that are out there or the great science magazines. Those are really the exceptions. I'm talking about the basic communication that happens inside of science and at the junction between science and the outside world. For example, scientists today write mostly for academic journals. Those are journals that very few people ever read because the subscriptions are expensive and they're getting increasingly unaffordable for libraries across the country. And because the style of writing for these journals is usually very arcane. So one outcome of this journal focus is that there's not enough information sharing between scientists, especially in different fields, or with the general public. Science research projects usually also don't budget for marketing, in part because the budgets are tight, but also because in general they've never really appreciated the value of reaching out beyond peer groups. A third example of bad communication habits in science is secrecy. Scientists aren't in the habit of sharing their data or collaborating on research projects, so a lot of potential value gets wasted and a lot of discovery never happens. Because of these communication breakdowns, scientists aren't discovering as much as they might be able to. Science education in America isn't where it could be, and our public policy debate on issues like environmental science is heavily influenced by science skeptics. There's a lot more to this issue, but that's the general idea. If you'd like to read more about it, you can download our white paper, which is at nationalscience.org. So what we hope to do is change the way that science looks at communication, to get science to appreciate what better marketing and communications can do, both for discovery and for the public good. To accomplish this, we're bringing together some of the country's best science communication minds, the best scientists, the best marketers, and more, finding out how we can work together, and then taking our show on the road to help build capacity and improve science communication projects across the country. And this is where you come in. We're raising funds so that we can undertake 10 important science communication projects across the country, demonstration projects of how better communications can improve science. We're not sure yet what these projects will be. We'll advertise this offer and review the applications that we receive through our website, and then we'll choose the projects that have the most impact for the widest audiences. We'll also reach out to the science community to identify projects that might have a big impact. Some of the projects we might select include building new websites for important research activities, or creating outreach efforts for science education initiatives, shooting commercials for public education campaigns, or building new databases to enable better project collaboration. We greatly appreciate your contribution to this project. As our way of saying thanks, for starters, we'll send you a coupon code that's good for one item of your choice from our logo store, which carries things like coffee mugs or sweatshirts with our logo on it. We'll also mention you on our website as a founding member. You'll be the ones who made this happen. And we'll make sure to keep you in the loop as things develop. Also, since we're a 501c3 tax-exempt nonprofit, the contribution that you make, minus the cost of your coffee mug, may be tax deductible. Most of you watching this video probably already agree that even with its shortcomings, science is still far and away the most powerful force in our world, with the most potential to create a better future for ourselves and for our children. Just imagine what more it might be able to accomplish. Thank you again for your contribution.